Hello students, today we are going to talk about division. Here, 15 cookies are kept in 3 lines. Line 1, line 2, and line 3. And if we have to know how many cookies are there in one line, we divide total number of cookies, that is 15, by number of lines, that is 3, which is equal to 5. Therefore, there are 5 balloons in one line. Now, let's talk about product and factors. So, the product of 3 and 6, which is 3 multiplied by 6 equal to 18. Here, the product is 18 and factors are 3 and 6. Then, we write 18 divided by 3 equals to 6, and 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. Now, let's talk about dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Since 5 times 8 equals to 40, it means 40 divided by 5 equals to 8, and 40 divided by 8 equals to 5. And in the process, here 5 is the divisor, 40 is the dividend, 8 is the quotient, and 0 is the remainder. Similarly, here 8 is the divisor, 40 is the dividend, 5 is the quotient, and 0 is the remainder. Well, this is all for the division. Thank you.